top of
Okay, I think I'm shooting at the wrong one.
Okay. And then there you go. Pull it back. You gotta pull it. You gotta pull back hard. You gotta pull back as hard as you can. No. Don't go get them. We wait until everyone's done shooting. Okay, you can shoot those two arrows. All three, and then we wait for everyone to get done, and then we go get them. Okay. Right. So hold it. How are you holding it before? Same here. Nope. Other hand. And it's gonna be on top. There you go. Oh.
Good job!
If you can aim for the other one, do that. If not, aim for the ground or something. Oh! You got it! Nice job. Get one more.
Keep it in there. It's not going to sit perfectly. Hang your bow up if you're done.
Yep, hang your bow up and get back to my line.
No. That's for left arm.
That's for left.
Are you lefty?
Let's wait until everyone shoots these three, and then we'll do another round. Why is this?
Yalla Haveen. Let's do it.
There you go.
Nice.
Now hang up your bow.
Go Haveen. Good job.
With the brown part on top. And then you step back. We're gonna wait.